We are from group number 6. Our project is Airline Reservation System using Java. This project is being given by Dr. Arpit Bharatwaj. You can see our code where we have a login page, a domestic international page on separate fonts, and this is done on VScode. Here you have an option of domestic and international. On the bottom of the page you have the options from different states like a departure and arrival, and with their prices and timings. On the right hand corner you could even see the username and password given. So it's basically the username and the password are admin. Here you are even provided with a great opportunities, which is economy and business on the plane. Now we are entering the credentials into the system. Now after entering the credentials you have an option for booking international and domestic. When you come into this portal you will be having from address to address, the booking date which is in the format of date, month and year. Even you are given an opportunity to book your class, which is economy or business. On the right hand side you have the number of passenger details, ranging from adult, children and infant, and their age groups are also being given respectively. After when you press the booking option you'll be even getting an airline ticket print, which would be a reference for your booking as shown in the screen. This flight is to Hyderabad, and this is the code which is being run on VS Code, and you could see now it's on the login page. Apart from login page, even we have different pages for international, domestic, and as well as the credential page, which is shown in this video. This page shows gives us an opportunity to see where the